Alright, we have the F-16 on deck. This is only the second flight on this. And concerns that I have on it are that the field is rather wet. So this has a lot of cheater holes on the bottom of it. So hopefully it doesn't suck up too much water into the intake and through the cheater holes, I should say. Other concern on it is the hatch does not want to stay on. You come in for a landing. I've seen a lot of videos online where you hit any bump at all and she pops off. But let's give it a try. Beautiful plane. Those little bitty gears though, you got to really turn slow. When I say little gears, I'm talking about both small tires on this and also the stance is very close together on them. Alright, let's walk down here to the end of the field. Still the only one here. Jim should be out in a little bit. So hopefully this goes well. Alright, here we go. There's full throttle, back pressure. Well, she didn't want to get up. All of that moisture. Gears are up. Start coming off the throttle a little bit. About 80% on the throttle. This has no flaps on it. See if we can slow it down here in front of us. Beautiful plane, man. I really like this. eFlite got this one right. Sorry, I know it's a little far out, but second flight, not wanting to take too many chances with it. I'm still basically a pilot that's learning. Give it a high speed here in front of us when we come out of this turn. There's full speed. Go vertical. Not bad, she's still climbing, coming off of it. I'll let her just fall down. We'll make us a gear pass here. They're deployed. This does track very well, but I can tell you, even with the 6S power supply, it did not want to get up off the ground as quickly as my Rebel. I still got to say, this one flies great, don't get me wrong. It's a wonderful flying plane. But when you go down the checkmark list, the Rebel is still by far my favorite ADF. A little rough on the landing, but we'll take it. I'm curious to see how much grass we sucked up I'm sure you can't see it in the film, but there's just water dripping off the bottom of this. So let me turn this over and take a look. Ah, see there what I was talking about on this canopy? We would have kept going down the runway taxiing, that would have come right off. So definitely need to get a magnet or something in that. Ooh. Yeah, see here? Got grass trying to get right up into the cheater hole. So that definitely is not a good design aspect on this one. They got to assume people are going to fly this on a grass field. And maybe put fine mesh screen or something in that. Keep all of the debris from getting sucked up. Alright, F-16 eFlite 70mm, flying on a China Hobby 6S 3300. Thanks for watching.